In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a formula in Monday.com so you can automatically calculate values inside your board. Whether you're tracking budgets, sales totals, project costs, or inventory, using the formula column can save you hours of manual work. I'll walk you through everything step by step, including how to reference other columns properly and how to make sure your formula works perfectly. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com guides. Now, let's jump right in. First, open Monday.com and go to the board where you want to calculate values. This could be a sales tracker, a project management board, a budgeting sheet, or any board where you're working with numbers. Formulas work best when you already have number-based columns like quantity, price, hours, or budget. Once you're inside the correct board, look to the far right of your existing columns and click the plus sign that says Add Column. A menu will appear showing all available column types. From this list, select Formula. As soon as you click Formula, a new column will be added to your board and the formula editor will automatically open. If the editor doesn't open automatically, simply click inside the new formula column and it will bring up the Formula Editor window. This is where you'll build your calculation. Now it's time to insert your formula. In Monday.com, formulas work similarly to spreadsheet formulas, but instead of typing cell references, you reference column names. The most important rule to remember is that every column name must be written inside curly brackets. For example, if you have a column called quantity and another called unit price, you would write them as open bracket quantity close bracket and open bracket unit price close bracket. Let's say you want to calculate total revenue. In the formula editor, type open bracket quantity close bracket, then add the multiplication symbol, and then open bracket unit price close bracket. Your full formula should look like this: open bracket quantity close bracket times open bracket unit price close bracket. Monday.com will often suggest column names as you type, which helps avoid spelling errors. Make sure the column names match exactly as they appear in your board. Even a small difference in spacing or capitalization can prevent the formula from working correctly. If your column name has spaces, that's completely fine. Just include the space inside the brackets exactly as written. You can also use more advanced formulas. For example, you can add columns together using the plus sign, subtract using the minus sign, divide using the forward slash, or even use built-in functions like if statements for conditional logic. But if you're just starting out, begin with simple arithmetic calculations like multiplication or addition. After entering your formula, double-check it for any errors. If everything looks correct, click the Apply button. As soon as you click Apply, Monday.com will automatically calculate the value for every item in that board. The formula column updates in real time, meaning whenever you change the numbers in the reference columns, the formula result updates automatically. And that's it. You've successfully added a formula in Monday.com. You can now automate calculations across your entire board without doing any manual math. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tips, tricks, and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.